congratulations on the film.
Thank you so much.
How have the last 24 hours been, given this is your big premiere? How has it all been in Black Dog world?
Intense, overwhelming, scary, but like super fun. I mean, I couldn't be more excited. Like, I'm so excited for this, so it feels like a dream come true.
Yeah, it's a great platform for independent film, particularly British independent film. How excited were you when the film festival said yes, we'll go, and ready to screen the film during the festival?
I mean, you're so excited, and then everything like hits you at once. You know, all of a sudden you start going, oh my god, there's so much to sort out, and there's so many things to do, and there's so many, like, you know, we've got to get trailers and posters sorted. And then we got the news that we were nominated for Sutherland Award, which was then like the cherry on top, and we were just like, wow, this is really quite real now.
Yeah. Tell me about the kind of genesis of this one. It's you as a director, Jamie, and you as co-writers. What was the genesis? Where did it come from, and how long did it take you guys to kind of bring this to life?
Yeah, so I met Jamie when we were 16. Like, I just set up my production company, and then he went off and filmed Avatar 2 for a few years, and then when he got back, he played the lead in my first short film. And I think it was after that we were both like 18, and we were like in a very adult industry, but feeling quite young, and we grew up in London, in South London, both of us. But, you know, we watched all of our mates go to uni and all these different things happen. And I think we both were like, right, let's write something about what it's like being 17 on that cusp of adulthood, on that cusp of like independence. And that's how Black Dog started, really, with conversations like that. And then Cafe Neros and basements we were writing in, and here we are.
Yeah. And also, I mean, you brought it to life together, but then you had that third component to find, and then you find someone like Keenan. What was the reaction of you guys when you saw his tape and saw everything? It must have just been like Christmas for you. It's like, this is the guy.
I mean, because we knew Jamie was going to play Nathan, that you kind of know the energy that you need to find for Sam. And I think we were so lucky that we had the cast and directors from Heartstopper, you know, so it was like Daniel Edwards and Lucy Allen. So their like pool of like UK talent is like far and wide, so we went on a like UK-wide search, and then I got Keenan self-taped through, and I remember watching it and being like, I have to meet him. And I was shooting in a town called Malice at the time, so I was supposed to go away the next day, so I met him that morning, and my flight was in the afternoon, and he walked in and blew us away. And I mean, we gave him the job, and it was like, he is one of the most superb actors I've ever had the honour of directing.
As a final question, this is your debut for audiences. Can you tell them a little bit about Black Dog and why it's important to you and why you should think they should go and see it?
Yeah, so Black Dog is a coming-of-age road movie about two young boys that meet by chance and end up on a road trip from London to Scotland, and it's all about grief, love, compassion, sexuality, friendship, and I think, you know, everyone should go see it because Jamie and I wrote it at 18, you know, and then to be here at 23 with your debut feature is a dream come true, and it will make you laugh, it will make you cry, and hopefully it reminds you what it was like being 17.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're watching Hey You Guys!
Hey, you guys!
Hey, you guys!
Hey, that's what they all say.
Hey, you guys!
Hey, you